Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start next lesson, types of soil. Now let us start question answer session. Soil is the covering on the earth's crust. There are many types of soil found in different parts of the earth. Each soil type is suited for the growth of particular plants, vegetation, and crops. Fill in the blanks with the right answers from the help box. First one. The soil found in coastal plains and river basins are called alluvial soil. Alluvial consists of slate, sand, clay, and gravel and often contains a good deal of organic matter. It therefore yields very fertile soils such as those of the deltas of the Mississippi, the Nile, the Ganges and Brahmaputra and the Huang rivers. Next, fill in the blank. The desert regions are associated with the special type of soil called arid soil. Arid soils from in an arid or semi-arid climate. Arid soils dominate the deserts and xeric shrublands, which occupy about one-third of the Earth's land surface. Arid soils have a very low concentration of organic matter, reflecting the paucity of vegetative production on these dry soils. Water deficiency is the major defining characteristic of arid soil. Next, fill in the blank. The soft black soil that occurs in cool wet areas would denote as peat soil. This soil is highly acidic in nature and black in color. Excessive wetness of the soil causes decay and degradation of dead vegetation, forming a layer of partially decomposed organic matter, resulting into peaty and marshy soil. Such type of soil is generally found in states like Tamil Nadu, parts of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Next, fill in the blank. Alluvial soil is rich in chemical properties and yields rich harvest of both kharif and rabi crops. The soil is generally covered by tall grasses and forests as well as number of crops such as rice, wheat, sugarcane, tobacco, maize, cotton, soya bean, jute, oilseeds, fruits, vegetable, etc. Next, fill in the blank. The plantation of trees help in the process of soil conservation. Planting vegetation as ground cover, that is farmers plant trees and grass to cover and bind the soil. Plants prevent wind and water erosion by covering the soil and binding the soil with their roots. The best choice of plants to prevent soil erosion are herbs, wildflowers and small trees. Next, fill in the blank. Laterite soil is rich in acidic and therefore good for tea plantation. Laterite soil is acidic mainly due to the nature of the parent rocks. This type of soil is poor in lime, magnesia, phosphates, nitrogen and humus. Laterite soil is fairly rich in potash and potassium. These soils have mainly developed in the higher areas of the peninsular plateau. The laterite soils are commonly found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and the hilly areas of Orissa and Assam. Next, fill in the blank. A certain concentration of iron is found in Red soils. Red soil contains a high percentage of iron content, which is responsible for its color. This soil is deficient in nitrogen, humus, phosphoric acid, magnesium, and the lime, but fairly rich in potash, with its pH ranging from neutral to acidic. Fill in the blank. The soils found in high altitude regions are known as mountain and hilly soil. Mountain soil is mainly found on the hilly slopes. These soils are formed due to mechanical weathering caused by snow, rain, temperature variation, etc. These mountains these mountain soils are found in hilly regions of Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. These soils occupy about 8% of the total land area of India. Next, fill in the blank. Black soil is highly useful for growth of jawar, wheat, cotton, and linseed. Because of their high fertility and retentivity and retentivity of moisture, the black soils are widely used for producing several important crops. Some of the major crops grown on the black soils are cotton, wheat, jawar, linseed, Virginia tobacco, castor, sunflower, and millets. Next, fill in the blank. The fertility level of the soil falling down in due course of time is referred to as soil erosion. Topsoil, which lies closest to the surface of the land, contains essential nutrients for crops. It is this layer of soil that is endangered by wind and water erosion. Soil erosion decreases soil fertility, which can negatively affect crop yields. Now let us see fun fact. The formation of layer of rich topsoil from bare rock may take as long as 10,000 years. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.